feel like that is part of a firecracker.
No, yeah, I saw that before, and I was like, is that like a fire?
Oh, it might be a reflector. Are you recording?
You can't even see it, never mind.
This is what we do on vacation. Okay, ready? Water. Tree.
Tree.
How do you make the water hit the
I can
tree?
see the tree. Oh, you can see the bottom of it.
Okay, cool. That's good. Okay, ready?
Let's see if you can see the water.
Okay.
Parent check.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, I hear people. Do it anyway.
What do you hear people? Okay, whatever. Ready?
You hit it,
And
yeah.
it hit me.
And you hit me too.
Look.
You got my foot. You can't really see it. Check out my amazing
It's a
slippers.
tree. Look, it's a tree.
Yep.
We've been here, what? An hour?
Yeah.
Woo!
Ate.
I hit my blanket again.
Ate, bye.